Good evening, fellow people, fellow supporters. I'm just making a short video to show the public what I do to survive. I mean, it's all about survival in my life. Okay, I'm going to start with my Christmas trees I've made to sell. Okay, just let me turn the camera a bit that way. Okay. That is my Christmas tree that I've came out with about 5 years ago. Okay, we switch your lights off here so we can get a clear picture. Okay, that is my Christmas tree that I came out with 5 years ago. Okay, this tree from the bottom, right from the legs right to the top. Okay. It's all solid wire. Okay, I've put in beads and I've put in the lights, and I've actually plugged in a cell phone charger, which makes it easier for people to use for Christmas. Okay, this is one of my top Christmas trees that I've came out 5 years ago. This tree is about a meter high, actually a meter and a half high, and I'm very proud of it because I've made it on my own. You know, like I say, you know, it's all about survival, just to survive. Okay, so that is my Christmas tree that I've made. All right, let's switch the lights on back here. You can see even with the lights on, it's shining very, very nice. So, you know, it's one of my products that I came out with about 5 years ago, okay? And now we move into my fish tanks that I've started about 4 months ago. Okay, that is my lovely fish tank I started about 4 or 5 months ago. Okay, it's a good product also that I've made. This fish tank, okay, let's take a few away here. This fish tank is made all glass, okay. I've put in houses at the top with lights, and I've put in, it's got a little cabin. Okay, I've put in a nice Christmas tree there, and I've put in rails around the frame. Okay, the top I've made the perspex, which is a good idea because once you switch the lights on the houses and then lightens up the whole tank. Okay, just let me switch it off so people can see. Okay, that is a tank. This tank is going about for 500 rand. Okay, it brings under gravel, it brings under gravel filter, and it brings air stone, like you can see the bubbles at the back here. Okay, the fishes don't come with the fishes. You got to get and sort out the fishes yourself. And a lot of people like goldfish, a lot of people like tropical fish, so that you got to do yourself. Alright, let's now move to my situation, why I do this. Okay, let's get the camera this side, here by me. Alright, let's start with my situation, why I'm doing all this to survive. Alright, first of all, a lot of people know me as the Rosary Man, selling rosaries in the intersections of the robots. Yes, that is our survival. A lot of times, just let's switch this Christmas tree off because the lights are busy shining here in my face. Okay, so that's one of the things I do, you know, to just to get a bit of capital in just to survive. Okay, first of all, I'd like to say thank you very much to the people that have been supporting me until now. To this lovely couple that has given me this equipment so I can make a short little video to show the people what I actually do to survive. I mean, thank you people, thank you for the equipment that you've given me to make this short little video. I also want to thank the gentleman, the couple that have donated a washing machine for me. Thank you very much. You know, it's all appreciated what people do for me, alright? I'm actually doing this video to fundraise a bit of funds so I can carry on with my lovely work that I'm doing. You know, from rosaries to Christmas trees to fish tanks. I'm trying something. You know, it's not that that I'm just sitting in the corner of a robot just to make a quick buck out of people. No, it doesn't. It's not like that. I know life is a bit hard. I do feel a bit embarrassed at times when I've got to sit in the interchanges of a robot doing what I do. You know, but only God knows what I'm going through. You know, so people, please kindly donate any funds that you've got in your heart that you can afford to help me with. Thank you very much. I'll appreciate the kindness and the support of the public to help me out with my fundraising video I am making for you people. Okay, clothing, food is welcome. Okay, I'm in a situation at the moment. I can't even buy myself a pair of chackies or a pair of good shoes so I can wear, you know. So I'll appreciate from a public, you know, if you got any old clothes or any old things that you thrown away, don't throw it away. Bring it to Carlos. Carlos will accept with a great heart. Like you can see the condition of my nose. That is because of the sun. I've just found out by the doctors that I've got a bit of skin cancer, and that is the situation of my nose. So you know, that's my life. You know, standing in the corner of interchanges, trying to survive with rosaries, which I do make myself. Much appreciated for all the support and all the donations that people do give me. Thank you guys. I hope everything goes well in the future for me. Like I say, you know, I'm doing all this to survive. You know, if you'd like a Christmas tree, you're quite welcome to contact me. I will give you my phone number. My phone number is 079 2030 283. You can contact me. My name is Carlos, and thanks for your kindness and your support. People, signing off. God bless, and you people have a tremendous day. Thank you.